Hey everyone, good morning. Hope everyone had a great weekend. My name is Vincent Nguyen, and this is Tip Line. Before I get started, want to make sure you guys understand this is not financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor. So, with that being said, let's jump into FNGR quickly and take a look at the chart. All right, so what do we have here? I am expecting FNGR to retrace today. It's already happening right now. Both oscillators have pointed downward. Not only that, but they've they've hit the overbought area, as you can see here on both these oscillators. And now they're out of the overbought and heading towards the downside of the oversold area. Okay. So that is the indicator. So now what that tells me is leg B to C needs to continue. So this little thing here that dropped on the 3rd, that little crash that I was expecting to unfold more gradually over the week happened in one day. And then there was basically a natural market reflex to bounce back up. But now I believe that today, tomorrow, that's going to get corrected pretty quickly here. So the market will return to the down state. So where would that be? Let's take a look at the day chart. All right, I know there are a lot of lines here. Let's get rid of all of them for now. Remember, what I'm telling you here has not changed, okay, from my previous TA. This little 3-bar breakout here is just a simple reflex of the market bouncing back up because it had moved so quickly downward. So we have, all right, let me get rid of some of these here. Okay, so there is a price target 2 that needs to be met on the hour chart. That will put, let's see here, that will put, yeah, that'll put FNGR at probably a 1618 or a little bit above 1618, which is at 367. That is still my price target for the next big opportunity. Before you call me a shill, before you call me a paid shill, that's even worse actually, because I'm not a paid shill and I'm not a shill. I'm a tech guy. I'm a chart guy. I'm reading a chart. Okay. I'm not here to convince you to buy or sell or do anything that you don't want to do with your money. So with the chart, I've always done this with you. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5, A, B, and C. Okay, the market has to retrace in this order. Okay, change this to red because that's a retracement leg. And that didn't happen yet. That didn't happen yet. It should have happened here this week, but it didn't happen yet. It was momentarily really paused and then came back up. So now that this natural reflex happened, things are going to make a change and come back down. Okay, my thinking is price target will land around $3.67 right above the 200-day moving average. It will act as support, basically. So how do I know that's going to happen? Because on the day chart, it's already approaching this level for the oscillators. This needs to reset. The oscillators need to reset into the oversold area in order for the next opportunity to start. Once this happens, guys, once FNGR hits leg B to C, the entire play gets reset. This entire cycle is reset, and then we start the cycle all over again. This leg 0 to 1 right here that you see, 0 to 1, that's going to start again over here. in October, as long as there's no more unexpected um, influences that are out of our control. The market should resume itself for FNGR. Okay. So what am I expecting today? What am I expecting today? Let's take a look. Okay, so the market today is already starting to come down. And let's see here for the 1 hour, for the first hour, it's going to retrace some. And I'm thinking it could come down to about 566 when the market opens within the first hour. Possibly 5. Yeah. So it's going to bounce. I want to say 618 would be like 685 for the 5 on the 1 hour chart. Maybe 718. I don't think so. I want to say 6. I want to mark 683, and then that will start the downward leg here, possibly. So I want to see something like this: 3 to 4, 4 to 5, up, and then start 5 to A. This is me eyeballing, okay? So somewhere like here, 530. This is, remember guys, eyeballing, 530-ish price target right here before the reversal. So that would be the start of the retracement leg coming down. 2 hour. Yeah, that lines up with price target 1 from back here at 508. Yeah, so think of this as ranges. Okay, think of this as a range. Let's change that to red, and then change this to red. So think of these as ranges that I can see price hitting. Okay, so that's FNGR at least for today, and then we'll touch back tomorrow and see what happens. So 508 is probably where I'm looking at today, and then we'll start to stair step down. The next one will be, there's still one unmet price target from way back here at 422 that I'm expecting this to come down at some point as well too. 422, and it'll just start stepping down until it hits the the 367 price target here. That's inevitable. Point B to C needs to happen. Okay, there's no way around it. No way around it. So that's my TA for FNGR before the market opens. Let's see what happens. I know people are saying this is going to go to the moon, over 10 bucks, unless someone comes in and buy a ton of shares on FNGR. The market structure shouldn't allow that. It shouldn't allow that. The max I see here is 849. If 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 this is a really big if FNGR can break 849, come back down, test it, and then show me or demonstrate that it can break above that, then yeah, absolutely, absolutely, it can get to the next level. But until FNGR can demonstrate that it can break 849, which it hasn't yet in the recent days. In fact, it hasn't in the last year. The last time it was this high was back in a year ago, 10/12/22. Yep, a year ago. So yeah, so when you come and tell me that FNGR is going to go above 10, show me how that's even possible. I want to see how FNGR can go from where it is now up to 62%. I just don't see that happening. And if you see a way that FNGR can do that, from a TA perspective, not the whole trust me bro crap. I invite you to the comment and explain it to me. Or do a video. Do a video. Show me how that's possible. Because in my head, I can't figure out a way other than having the trust me bro mentality that it's gonna happen. It's not. Right now you've got this nasty 367 retracement price target 2 coming up. It's gonna happen. When it happens, what are you gonna do? What is your trading strategy? Are you gonna hold again and wait and see what happens? Lucky for you, this is an opportunity as a bull. I'm waiting for this opportunity to hit. And once again, not not financial advice, okay? All I'm saying is that I'm waiting for this opportunity to jump in because that resets the whole playing field for FNGR to start the cycle again. So that will allow me to come in at leg 0 to 1, possibly scalping down to 2, and then 2 to 3 will be the next big wave up. Okay, that is huge right here from leg 2 to 3. This is 400%. I'm not saying that that could repeat, but what I am saying is that that's the next big opportunity. Whether you want to hold through it or you want to play in and out, that's your call. But for me, I am waiting for this opportunity. This is huge at 367. Okay, I'm out. Have a great week. Talk soon.